It's Elijah here. So in this video I'll be showing you how to set up your Bluetooth on your Linux machine, majorly Calyx. So you might have installed your system, set up your OS and everything, and notice that the Bluetooth is not working even after installing it. So I'm going to show you how to set this up in very few steps. So for basics, open up your terminal and just run this command: service Bluetooth restart. Then it asks you for your password, you just supply it. Then you notice now that I can now see devices, and you might have another issue whereby every time you restart your system you might have to keep entering this. So to save yourself this stress once and for all, you just need to run this command: sudo enable sudo stcl enable Bluetooth. So once you run that command, it asks you for your password, you supply it. So every time you restart. Okay, so in some cases, after you run the command, you might need to reboot your system. All you just need to do is to come and type the reboot command. I've already done that already. I was doing that and I rebooted and everything cleared up, so I had to restart the video again. So you might just need to reboot your system, and after you do that, you see everything works well. So now I can now see devices and connect to them. So that's how you set up your Bluetooth. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment. If it worked for you, leave a comment. If you have any issues, leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.